Okay, so I got a little more time on my hands since Corona is ruling the world. So let's draw something. First of all, I'm sorry for my giant head in the frame. I promise to figure out an angle where this doesn't happen anymore, right? So these are crazy times we're in with all those things that are happening right now. To me it was quite irritating that my packed planner was empty from one day to the other. Every appointment, every course, yeah, even the church service just got cancelled. And I also saved 2 hours on work days because I work from home now and I don't need to commute anymore. So what I'm trying to say is that despite of all those bad things and the uncertainty, it's nice to have some more time. I gotta say, I really enjoy that I don't have to be anywhere right now. And I hope this doesn't sound rude, but maybe this crisis helps us as a world to slow down a bit. It's no secret that nearly everyone is super stressed. Burnouts and depressions are very common these days, especially in the art world. And I managed to get burned out myself 2 years ago, so I kinda know what I'm talking about, but that's a story for another time. And of course I'm aware that there are many people in certain professions who are now having a very stressful time. But guys, this is just me trying to get something positive out of this whole scenario. And honestly, if this had happened a few years earlier, I would have totally jumped on a panic train thinking I'm dying. Yep, I was a nervous little brat. But today I know it just makes no sense to worry about something you can't control. And if you are able to change something, just do so. Sure, it sucks that people are dying and that many businesses will face hard times. And sure, it sucks that I don't know when I will see my family and friends again. And I could worry all day and all night. But it wouldn't change a thing. All I can do is to wash my hands regularly, don't buy all the toilet paper like an asshole, call my loved ones now and then, and in general, just spend my time wisely. Now, instead of constantly absorbing the news, knowing I can't change things anyway, why not keep creating? Why not put stuff out there? Well, maybe it seems kinda rude putting a drawing of a goblin-killing barbarian out there while shit's going down like that. But sitting at home waiting for things to get better wouldn't help neither. And in that case, I would mentally just totally freak out. That's why I kinda need a distraction and something else to focus on. Alright, so how am I going to fill the little extra time I have? Now, I'm a bit of a nerd for planning things, and mostly I can't manage to stick to my plans, but still it feels good to write down things I want to achieve just to get them out of my head. I wrote down a couple things I'd like to do during the time at home. There are general things like taking a walk regularly, exercise, drink enough water, cook fresh and keep the freaking house clean. But then there are also some more specific things. I want to read the book I bought recently, create at least 3 new YouTube videos, and I need to finish writing the Dungeons & Dragons campaign that I'm going to run soon. I also want to finish playing The Witcher 3 and of course draw cool stuff. And if there's still some more time left, I'd really like to learn animation. And of course there are also some bad habits I want to get rid of. And who knows, maybe some of the good habits I introduce now will stick after the world returns to normal. We'll see. After all, these are just some resolutions I try to implement. And maybe this inspires you to make your own list. Probably not, but anyways. Having something to work towards too is still a good way to distract yourself from worrying. And staying at home is suddenly not boring anymore. And seriously, it's not like I'm not thinking about what could happen. This is why I talk about this topic now as sort of an outlet for my thoughts. Call me naive, but I really like to dig for the positive stuff in situations like these. But at the end of the day, only time can tell how this will end up. Alright, enough Corona talk, let's get to the nitty-gritty. Let's talk about the sketch I'm inking. The pose of this character is based on a head-looper sketch by Mark Laszlo. I'll link his Instagram page down below if you'd like to check him out. As you can see, I really just took the pose and general idea and tweaked it to fit into my quote-unquote style. Gotta say, I really love drawing bulky male characters because I can draw them, you know, kind of angular and really angry. I actually think angry is the only facial expression I draw. I also totally enjoy such medieval-ish themes. Actually, I've been searching a while for some good books with reference material, but I couldn't find anything useful yet. That's why I mostly rely on video games such as Skyrim, since they actually do a really great job on researching historical clothing, buildings and whatnot. So after finishing this, it felt kinda off that he chopped off the head of a goblin. So let's see if we can give him a more fitting prey. Now, that's much better. Hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Stay safe, stay positive, and until next time, Liz over and out.